I just want to do another video right here thoroughly, people. I don't even want to devour this. It's so beautiful. I can already tell this is heavenly. That is rare steak flank. With the goodness, let's dress him up. Oh, freaking Lord. Okay, Tai, you are now second. This is the best part of my entire life. And this is coming to Hanford. Oh my Lord, it's not fair. Fresh basil in there. Really fresh sprouts. Really fresh. You know that lemon. Then a drop of this devilness. And of course that poison. Sweet savory. Kills the corns. And for $10 less.